Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a culinary journey to the beautiful state of Goa. Get ready to indulge in a sweet treat that's loved by locals and visitors, and that is Goan Maska Pav, which is also known as Goan Butter Cream Buns. These soft fluffy buns are filled with a rich and creamy buttercream filling. They are the perfect accompaniment to a cup of tea or coffee. In this video, I'll show you how to make these delicious buns from scratch. I'll guide you through step-by-step process of making Goan Maska Pav recipe in your own kitchen. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take half cup lukewarm milk, add 1/4 cup sugar, add 10 grams dry yeast and then nicely mix it until the sugar is dissolved. Then rest it for 10 minutes until frothy. Then in a large bowl, add 300 grams all-purpose flour or strong white flour, add a pinch of salt, add 1 whole egg, add 50 grams unsalted room temperature butter and add half yeast mixture. Then combine everything together. And then add the remaining yeast mixture and mix it nicely until everything is combined together. Then dust some flour on the kitchen table and simply knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then place the dough in the same bowl and then add some oil on the surface of the dough and gently rub it. Then cover it with cling film, or you can also use a cloth or towel. Then rest the dough for about 2 hours and allow it to rise. Then to make the buttercream, in a bowl add 100 grams unsalted room temperature butter and add 100 grams icing sugar. Then whisk it until it is nice and smooth. Then add 1 teaspoon pink food color, add half teaspoon vanilla paste or essence and whisk until everything is nicely combined or until it gets a nice stiff peak. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then check on the dough. As you can see that the dough is almost double in size. Then remove the cling film and then simply punch the dough to release the air. Then knead the dough again for like 2 minutes. Then divide the dough into 8 portions. Then simply roll and shape the bun. Do exactly how it is shown. Roll it to 12 cm long bun. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply take a tray and place long rectangular shape cut baking paper and place the bun on the top. Do the same to all the other portions. So once all the buns are ready, allow it to rest for about 1 hour until double in size. As you can see that the buns are double in size now. Then simply deep fry it until nice and golden brown. Make sure that the oil is not very hot or else the buns will burn and will not cook properly. So make sure that the oil is not too hot. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Then simply remove it in a separate plate when ready. As you can see, it has got a nice golden brown color. Then allow it to cool down at room temperature. And then simply cut the bun in the center. And generously fill it with buttercream. And there you have it guys, a batch of delicious Goan Maska Pav are ready. These soft fluffy buns are filled with a rich and creamy buttercream filling that's sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.